It's not in the room.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Happy birthday, ate! Sinalubong talaga natin, ha? Time to sleep na! Happy New Year! Si Mama naghintay talaga.
Baka daw may surprise.
I love you, babe. Happy birthday. Okay, si ate. Si ate. Si ate. Wow! I love you, ate. Happy birthday, ate. Ay!
There's one good gift there, but you only need to choose one. So it's like deal or no
Deal or no deal.
You have to choose
You have to choose.
the best, but you don't know which one it is.
Only
If
one.
you didn't get to choose the best, that's the only one that you're gonna get.
Parang deal or no deal.
Choose. It doesn't mean that it's big, it's nice. Maybe it's just boxes. Then it's tricky. Happy birthday.
Sabi siguro, joke naman to. Ang dami-dami. Yan ang ang trick, anak. Mamimili ka lang. Para may iba naman.
Kaya lang, pag di mo napili yung magandang wala.
Wala, no?
Oh no.
Ano ang pipiliin?
Happy birthday
Day to you. Kasi nagpa-save kasi naka-SM na bag. Sige, open mo na. That's the only gift.
You're gonna get.
You're so mean.
That's your only gift. Wow.
Wow! What's that?
You chose the best. Yeah, so that's your gift for today.
That's the only gift.
So that sums it up. Thank you for watching our videos. Hope you like our videos.
Hi, baby! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Ate!
Did you like
Happy
your
birthday.
chosen gift? Wow, Bilasada.
Wow! Ang dami naman na!
Maybe that's the phone.
Wow!
Alam mo saan nakalagay?
Open! Ano yun?
Wow!
Wow! Ang dami!
Grabe naman yung makeup set.
Wow!
Ay, hindi ba? Happy birthday. Daming gagamitin ni
Paabot ng hair niya.
Putchut.
Jing, jing!
Sabi ni Putchut,
Ay,
daming
headband.
markers. Dami kong isusubo. Ayan na.
Tingin,
Hinihingi na.
Oh, inihingi na ni Putchot. Putchot, is
Give
that
me
yours?
the markers. Give me the markers. That's it. Thank
That's-
you. And
Chot,
naman,
you choose for ate.
which one do you like? Which one do you like?
Choose for ate.
Ah,
Oh, ito, blue. Sige, open na, open. Galing ni Putchot, ah. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, magbibigay siya.
Yee, sure. What's that? That's from George.
Wow!
Wow. Can I see it?
This is
Another gift of George.
Sabi namang pera ni George.
Ate yan, siya.
Tama, love na love ka ni George.
Thank you, George. Request niya yan eh. Sige, may puncho. Wow. Open, tinan mo. Kasha sa'yo.
Daddy.
Yan. Igano mo lang. Hindi mo na kailangan suot. Wow. Nice. Parang deal or no deal ah. Ito saan?
Oh, lampas ka na ng 4.
Nagpas na. Grabe kayo kay Zoe.
Buksan lahat, grabe.
Ang gulo ng hair ni Zoe.
Hindi na kasi tayo makalabas na so binili na naman.
Wow. Okay, next.
kasi on zero
itsura nito. Wow! Oh, you like the design?
Happy birthday.
What's that?
Wow!
Wow!
It's a witch costume.
Open! Iyak na yan! Iyak na yan!
Wow, you're the
Hogwarts! Hogwarts student! Wow! Sige, you can wear it na. You want to wear it na? Si George ang na-excite. Alam niya kasi gusto ng ating
Wow!
Wow.
Abracadabra.
You like it? Sige, okay, good. Uy! Okay, next. Mamaya mo na yan at madami. At 10 yan eh. Bali 11. Pang 12 yung kadita mo.
Wow!
What's that? Front lang yan.
Oh, that's why she was standing in the tree. When I say her.
Ay, nako, George. Ay, nako, George. Wow. Naku, magpakasawa ka, Zoe.
Oh, no, I can finish.
You can finish that today? Bookworm ka talaga. Kahilig sa book. Okay.
Surprise yung last gift.
Patingin, ano ko nga?
Hindi alam ni ate yung last gift niya.
Si Daddy? Ano mo doon? That's not true. That's not true, Daddy. Hindi naniniwala. Hindi naniniwala.
We wouldn't be there because when we saw you guys'
We borrowed John's box.
Wow!
Oh, ba't ka umiiyak? We're crying. Totoo na ba yan? Nagana ba talaga yan? Oh, happy birthday. That's our gift. Mo na lahat. Nintendo Switch. Wow, yabang. Hindi talaga naniwala pagkakita sa box. That's not true. Daddy niya lang naman lagi nabubuli sa kanya. Yan ba yung gusto mo? Wow, naman.
Dalawa ba?
Dalawang controller niya?
So you can hold it right.
Are you expecting that? Totally not expecting talaga siya. Alam niya yan.
And I also I knew those, but I didn't know it would arrive today because Tito Mott said yesterday this is the only thing that arrived.
Oh.
So I was like,
Daddy.
yesterday pa dumating yung one, and then the other one is the other day pa.